Some travelers said it right. हम जिंदगी से भागने के लिए ट्रैवल नहीं करते, पर इसलिए करते हैं कि एक दिन जिंदगी हमसे ना भाग जाए, है कि नहीं? Are you looking for a place जहाँ पे तुमको भाग दौड़ नहीं करना? All you're looking for is just few days of peace. Are you a person who doesn't believe in a written checklist, or on the fly you want to try some things out? Then this is the place. Amanvana Coorg. And क्या क्या हो सकता है, what all you can do? Let me just get into it and you'll see by the end of this video you'll get to know all of them. Stay back. Enjoy the ride.
सब कुछ है बिखरा 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 सा रूठा रूठा चुप माई चुप है रांझा मैंने कैसे ना जा मैंने कैसे ना जा
Hello everyone. So I hope you can see me. I can see myself also on the screen now this time. So first things first, I think it's been a long time. I've been busy with some edits, some work with office and all of that stuff. But that aside, so this is a new trip and you can already see the destination probably in the title. But still, let me tell you, this time this is Coorg, alright? And more interestingly, I think, first you tell me, how was this video of Darjeeling? Did you guys see it? Go back, check it. It's there in the list probably, in the travel playlist of mine. It's a pretty good day, it's sunny, and let's see you on the other side. Cool cafe on the way. It was very nice. This drive cafe is on NH75 and pretty good place for a quick breakfast. और ये शिवा का statue feels out of the world for a cafe, right? It's the roads that count, not the destination. जिसने भी बोला होगा उस एहसास को एक बार सोचना चाहिए. Just try to feel it once and then you'll realize even the moment you reach the destination, यार रास्ते काफ़ी सही थे. घुसते ही the first thing that will greet you is a waterfall, but आप बहुत जल्दी समझ जाओगे the place, the thing that it has to offer is an amalgam of nature and it's before Coorg, it's not exactly in Coorg, the place. But जब उस garden से you do the first walk towards your bungalow, right, you will realize that this is going to be a peaceful stay. They've also, if you see here, they've also put leaves in some of the trees and stuff, which is pretty nice. I see just next to that place there's an almond tree as well. This place is more like a nature's paradise next to this areca nut tree. Basically, if you love nature and if you've been to Coorg and you just don't want to tick off those checklists, it's more about just for a few days of peace. I think this is a place for you to be at. Next to the Kaveri River, one of their restaurants, just lie down like this. Listen to the sound of the river and bas kabhi kabhi just shut off. And of course, don't do things like this if you do not know swimming. But I really like this lighting and the setup, and I have to take this shot. Which brings me to the swimming pool, where my only complaint lies with the place is I didn't feel it's so clean. It was pretty in a different color altogether, not the way it's supposed to be. You can see part of green itself. Also, did I tell you they have their own tea estate which you can go to in a guided tour? And let's learn about Robusta and Arabica varieties.
By the name itself you can find out Robusta variety, little bit robust than Arabica variety. Won't grow wider. And this is the husk, and the other part is crisp mint. And inside this you can find the coffee seed. Not formed.
Bloopers aside, got to know about the best coffee in the world.
What is the name of the coffee?
Cope Luwak.
Kope Luwak.
हाँ सिल्वर कैट हाँ मंगूस के तरह होता है देख.
The place has many other things to offer, like for example this amazing river walk, and also you can do some nature walks where you can find out. Apparently I found some bitter oranges. Never tried them though. Or also this amazing, afternoon sun, or this washroom which was also pretty cool. I really liked it. And also there are other things which you can explore for yourself, and do tell me how it was, if it was worth it, and please take care of yourself. कुदरत ने जो भी बनाया है कुछ मतलब के लिए बनाया होगा. हमारा काम बस यही है कि उसको मतलब ही नहीं बनाना है.